Hello friends, in this video I will provide you the complete process to put web options and choice filling in Tamil Nadu web counseling. Here you can see these are the latest notifications we have seen from official website Tamil Nadu. Here you can see this is the link to put web options and choice filling. You should click on this one. Then you can see this page. Here you have to reset your password. So first you should enter your mobile number and then click on generate OTP. Then you should enter received OTP in this box. Later, you should create your new password. This new password is different from the previous password. And then confirm password. So you should retype your new password and then click on submit password. Then this page will open. Again, you should log in with the application number and then enter the new password. Then click on sign in. Then this page will open. Here you can see this is the box. Here we have seen management quota self-financing colleges. I am willing to give options for self-financing colleges under management quota. So you click on this box, then the registration will be opened. This registration schedule is from August 21st to August 27th up to 5 p.m. only. When you click on this box, then this page will open. You have to pay the registration fee amount. You should select any one of these bank names, even though if you don't have your account in these banks. Then click on pay. This page will open. You need to select either debit or credit card or internet banking or UPI app. But for management quota, you need to pay 1,00,000 rupees. 1 lakh is the security deposit amount and 1,000 is the registration fee amount. So for this large amount, it is not accepting UPI payment, so that you need to select either debit card, credit card or internet banking only. You should enter all these details and should pay the amount. Later, this page will open. So here you can see these are the list of colleges you have seen. In addition to CMC Vellore, you can see number of colleges are also available for you to put web options and choice filling. Suppose if the student is interested to put web options for payment seats, then you can select number of colleges. If the student is applied only for CMC Vellore, then only one college you need to select. Suppose if the student is applied is interested to participate in private colleges for payment seats, you can select more number of colleges from this list. Okay, so whenever you are selecting the college, you should click on add, then only your name should be added to the web options and choice filling list. When you click on that add, then the list of colleges should be appeared here. Suppose if the student is selected only CMC Vellore, then you can see only one college will be displayed in this box. Suppose if you are selected more number of colleges, then the list of colleges will be displayed in this box. Next, click on next. Then you can see the total number of list. Then again click on next. Then you can see the web options downloaded form. This is the final downloaded form. You can save it in your system. Okay, in this way, you have to put your web options and choice filling for Tamil Nadu MBBS and BDS admission, including CMC Vellore MBBS admission. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.